Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can host your project from GitHub to Railway. So first of all, we'll actually go to the Railway. So let's search Railway on the browser, and here you can see railway.com. We'll actually go there, and here you can see ship software peacefully. So we are going to click here deploy. Okay, and here you can see we have different option here. So we are going to go with the GitHub repository option. Let's log in with GitHub, and I already logged into my GitHub account. In your case, maybe there will be a GitHub login page. Okay, so you have to log in through your GitHub account. Just go to the github.com, and then you have to give here your credentials, and then you will actually log in. Let's say I want to sign out from here. So you will find something like this, github.com. Now go here, sign in. Basically, if you don't have any account, you can actually create the account at first by clicking here sign up. I already have the account, so sign in, and here I will give my username and then password and sign in. So I have the account here. Now we have to actually click here in the profile. Okay, then go for the repositories. Repository means the directory basically. So you can see I already have bunch of different projects here. In your case, if you don't have any project, you can actually click here new, and you can give it a name. Let's say test repository or any other name. Okay, and then create the repository and upload the project here. Okay, I already have the project, so I will actually now click here authorize. Now we have to actually click here install GitHub app. Now select all repositories here and then install and authorize. Okay, click here. Here you go. Now we will actually click here in the profile. Here you can see this is my GitHub profile. Now here we'll actually add our new project here from the GitHub, and here you can see we have all the repository we have in our GitHub. Okay, so let's say I want to go with this one, so I'll select this one because here I have a cat portfolio site. You can see online, so we can actually click here test portfolio and go for the settings, then scroll it bit down, and here you can see networking section, and here we have public networking. So here we have to click here generate domain. Okay, so here you can see generating domain, and here we go, we have the domain. I'm going to copy it. Now let's go back here in a browser, let's say a separate browser, and paste it and hit enter. Now we can actually access our project, and this is live from Railway. Okay, you can see, and it's working perfectly. All right guys, so guys, I have shown you how you can actually deploy your GitHub projects using Railway. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.